How to see the history in Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then go to settings and scroll all the way down to My Data. After that, Snapchat will take some time to load all your datas. You simply need to toggle on the feature of export your memory, chat, media and shared stories. Then go to next and in the time period choose all time. Then simply click on submit. And shortly you will receive an email from Snapchat support team saying that the download of your data has been ready. You can simply export it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.